I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication to FA on your Xbox app is a great way to enhance your account security. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Xbox app. Launch the Xbox app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile picture in the top corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Security. In the Settings menu, find and select the Security tab. This is where you'll manage your account's security features. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification or Two-Factor Authentication and toggle it on. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code via your chosen method email or phone. Step 5. Confirm setup. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you lose access to your verification method, it can be tricky to regain access to your account. Always keep your backup codes in a safe place. I hope this helps you secure your Xbox account. Happy gaming!